Hey cruisers, welcome back to the Glacier Bear Cruise channel, where we talk all things cruising. If you're ready to set sail with us, hit the like button, be sure you're subscribed, and ring the bell for notifications. Today, I want to explore Virgin Voyages Summer Season Pass. You get to live, work, and play on board a ship for a full month or more. Perfect for remote workers who have the flexibility to travel. And I also want to dive into a bit of a mystery. But first, let's break down what the Summer Season Pass is all about. This year, Virgin Voyages launched their Scarlet Summer Season Pass, a potentially game-changing offer for frequent sailors. The 2024 Virgin Voyages Scarlet Summer Season Pass included 4 back-to-back voyages and offered up to 30% savings compared to booking individual voyages separately. They just announced they are expanding the Summer Season Pass fleet-wide in summer 2025. Upgrade your work-from-home setup to work from hammock, or simply set up an out-of-office message as you spend a month with Virgin Voyages. This Summer Season Pass is designed for 2 passengers, and the accommodations are pretty sweet. You'll be staying in a central sea terrace cabin in a prime location on the ship. These cabins have a lot of cool features. Think fun mood lighting, high-tech tablets to control everything from the blinds to the AC and even the TV. You've got a rainfall shower in the bathroom, and out on the balcony, you can kick back in Virgin Voyage's signature red hammock. But that's not all. The Summer Season Pass also comes packed with a ton of extras to really enhance the experience. Could this be the ultimate work-life balance option if you're a remote worker? Or perfect opportunity for frequent sailors? Let's check it out. First off, pre-voyage and onboard support to make sure your trip is smooth sailing from start to finish. Next, premium Wi-Fi included with the pass is a huge perk. It's strong enough to stream meetings, send emails, and work seamlessly while you're sailing between destinations, so you don't have to miss a beat while enjoying life at sea. The wash and fold laundry service means you can stay for longer without worrying about laundry, keeping your focus on both work and enjoying your time aboard. Early access to shore things also allows you to plan your work schedule around excursions, so you can take a break from the laptop when it's time for some fun. And let's not forget the luxurious amenities like access to Richard's rooftop, where you can unwind after a day of work with stunning views and a Moet happy hour. Those specialty coffees are perfect to keep you energized, and welcome bubbles to kick off your summer-long sailing celebration in style. With the rise of remote work, more people are finding ways to blend work and leisure in exciting ways, and Virgin Voyages Summer Season Pass could be the perfect setup for that. As a remote worker, imagine this. You start your morning with a specialty coffee. Attend your virtual meetings from the comfort of your sea terrace cabin. And by the afternoon, you're relaxing in a hammock with ocean views. Sounds like the perfect work-life balance, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Should you consider the Virgin Voyages Summer Season Pass if you're a remote worker? If you're someone who works remotely and has the flexibility to travel, the Season Pass could be a fantastic option for combining work and pleasure. You'd get to experience multiple voyages, explore new destinations during your off hours, and fully enjoy all the amenities of a Virgin Voyage cruise. However, keep in mind that this kind of lifestyle requires a bit of discipline to balance both work and play. It's easy to get caught up in vacation mode. Also, the 2025 price point, starting at $14,999, may seem steep, but when you factor in the savings compared to booking individual voyages, plus all the included perks, it could be a great value, especially if you're staying productive while traveling. This is a potentially game-changing offer, and yet, Reviews seem to be a bit of a mystery. Why haven't we seen a flood of reviews on the summer season pass, especially with so much potential for frequent sailors and remote workers? Let's dive into a few possible reasons. Reason number 1, it's just too new. The 2024 Scarlet Summer Season Pass was just launched in spring of 2024, offering 4 back-to-back cruises starting at $9,990 per cabin. Virgin Voyages just announced they are bringing back, by popular demand, the Summer Season Pass in 2025, starting at $14,999 per cabin, and expanded to all their ships in the fleet. If it's so popular, why have we yet to see any reviews? Well, with cruising schedules being what they are, it could just be that not enough people have had a chance to put out their reviews yet. We might start seeing more feedback as cruisers finish up the 2024 Summer Season Pass. Reason number 2, this pass is targeting a very specific group of people. Virgin Voyages tends to attract a younger, trendier crowd, and the Summer Season Pass is perfect for those who can sail multiple times a year. Not everyone has the flexibility or budget to do that, so reviews might be slower to surface. And that leads me to reason number 3. There's still some uncertainty around how it works. Although the benefits are clearly outlined, some cruisers may be hesitant because they're unsure about things like exactly how bookings are handled. It can feel like a big commitment without seeing first-hand experiences from others. So to wrap things up, the Virgin Voyages Summer Season Pass offers a ton of value, especially if you're a frequent sailor or a remote worker looking for ultimate work-life balance. But the lack of reviews so far, it might be a case of waiting to see how others rate their experiences. We'll likely see more buzz as people try it out. What do you think? Are you a remote worker considering a Virgin Voyages summer pass? Or have you already experienced it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated with the latest cruise reviews and tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sailing!